think that it's a little too long to do this one. Got it. That's cool. You want to try it?
Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I am back again today with the Atlas 6x6 project I've been working on. And as you can see, I've made a little bit of changes to it. Right off the bat, the whole rear end of the truck has been stripped out, so there's no more bed or cage or little toolbox, spare tire. Smokestacks are gone off of it, and my idea was I wanted to eliminate as much unnecessary weight from the top end of this vehicle as possible. So by removing all that stuff, it did cut it down quite a bit, so it's not as heavy as it was. Also on the body, as you can tell, I've also removed the headlamps, and I'm not sure if that's going to be a permanent deal or not, but the headlamps, the wiring, and the tail lamps have been removed at this point, and I've still left off the front bumper. On the inside of it, I have installed the Hobbywing 1060 ESC. I've also got the Spectrum radio receiver installed from the Capra, so I'll be using the 3-channel Spectrum radio that comes with the Capra in here. I'm hoping that it's going to give me more controllability when I pull the throttle, and it won't have that slow wind-up whine that the Atlas had before. So with the 1060 and the Spectrum ESC, I'm thinking I'm going to have a lot more controllability, a lot more adjustment points over stock. About the only thing I'm probably worried about at this point would be the stock servo, but it seems to be holding up just fine, so I'm not too worried about it. I was able to get it out and get some running footage of it at the Superstition Hobbies indoor course. And I'm going to run some of that footage now, so let's check that out. that was great running footage. As you can tell, it slow crawls so much better. I really like the way that it's come out. Can't wait to, get that paint job on there and finish this truck up. Thanks for watching this episode of Cactus Crawlers RC, and we'll see y'all next time.